Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a note in Messenger. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Messenger app. Now click on the note that you had shared in the left hand side of your screen. And here you can see the delete option. Click on it. And if you're sure, click on remove option. And that is how you can delete a note on Messenger. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.